While The Blind Side is presented as an uplifting and heartwarming story, it victimizes its real-life subject Michael Orr by reducing his complex journey to a simplistic and palatable narrative for a mainstream white audience. The film, though based on true events, crafts a story that prioritizes the inspirational arc of the Toohey family over the authentic experience of Michael himself. He is presented less as the protagonist of his own life, and more as a vessel for the Tooheys' generosity. This narrative choice strips him of his agency, voice, and the true depth of his struggle, transforming him into a two-dimensional symbol of hope, rather than a multifaceted human being who navigated immense hardship long before he met the Tooheys. The film's portrayal of Michael's intelligence and initiative is a primary source of his victimization. He is consistently depicted as a passive, almost silent giant with a low intellect, who is saved from his circumstances entirely by Leigh-Anne Toohey's intervention. This white savior narrative is profoundly damaging, as it downplays the incredible resilience, street smarts, and internal drive Michael must have possessed to survive a traumatic childhood marked by poverty and homelessness. By framing his success as almost solely dependent on the Tooheys' guidance, the film robs him of his own accomplishments and reinforces the harmful stereotype that Black individuals require white benefactors to achieve greatness, thereby ignoring his own significant role in his journey. Furthermore, the central conflict of the film often revolves around the Toohey family's experience of helping Michael, rather than Michael's own internal and external battles. The audience witnesses Leigh-Anne's friends questioning her motives, and her daughter learning to accept a stranger into their home, while Michael's own perspective remains largely unexplored. His trauma and the systemic failures that led to his situation are glossed over in favor of moments that highlight the Tooheys' virtue and charity. This focus makes Michael a prop in their story of moral awakening, victimizing him by using his life as a backdrop to celebrate the benevolence of a wealthy white family. Ultimately, the most lasting victimization of Michael Orr comes from the film's enduring public legacy. For years, the real Michael Orr has had to contend with a public perception shaped by a fictionalized character that he has stated does not accurately represent him. The movie's narrative has overshadowed his own identity, reducing his athletic achievements and personal complexities to the simplified, on-screen persona. This distortion has followed him throughout his professional career, forcing him to constantly push back against a story that, while celebrated by millions, fundamentally misrepresents and, in doing so, victimizes the very person it claims to honor.